Good morning, children. Last class we have seen how to find the perimeters and the areas chapter, isn't it right? So today's class will see a new chapter called a basic of geometry. What is this? Have you seen this, right? What this we call a point. A point is an exact location in the plane or a space. Okay, then a point has a zero length, zero width and the zero height. It represent our positions only. What we will be representing means we will represent the point by a dot. Then we will give the name as like here I have given A and another point as a B. Then we will give an example is location of a restaurant on the map, or we will be saying in the map we can represent this symbol now when we open this. So this we will call it as a point. Then another one is then this we will call it as a tip of a pencil. You can see the tip of a pencil. If you keep a one dot there in the pencil, that will be a one dot, right? When you keep that, so we will call it as and this as a tip of a pencil. Then we will see the holes of a button. In the buttons there will be holes, right? So when we take a button and when we take a pen or a pencil, and if we keep in the holes, no, so after taking out the pencil and the button, you can see that there will be a one point, so that we will be calling it as a point. Have you got now what are the examples of the point? What is this? So when we see this line, this we will see the line. A line is a straight path of the point that extends on and in the both the direction without ending. Okay, this we will call it as a line. The length, what is the measurement of the line means the length of the line cannot be measured. We cannot measure the line because it will be continuously we will be going on. The line will be named as a 2 points A and the B. You can see in the image that A point and the B point on the line. We can give like how many points you want, we can give. Okay. Next we will see the different types of the line. First one is a horizontal line. Horizontal line we will call it as a sleeping lines also. See, you can see there are a different colors of the lines in the given picture. So like this only we will be drawing the horizontal line. For example, we will be saying if you lie down on the floor, we can say that it is a horizontal line. Or when we see the envelope covers but the downside, or the book, when we keep the book at the down part, we will be calling it as a horizontal line. For this I have given one example called a pencil. See, you can see the pencil have slept in the like a horizontal line itself. Next is vertical line. So this we will call it as a vertical line. It grows straight up and down. So we'll call it this as a standing line also. So what and all examples we can give for this? See, here is the example. One is a tree, tower and the water bottle. So it is looking like a vertical line, isn't it right? So these are the examples of the vertical line. Next we will see the curve line. See, this line we will call it as a curve line. A line also be a curve. We will call it as an curve line. So for example, here will be a railway track, or in the circus and all the train or a track will be going on. No, that we will call it as an curved line. Okay, children. Next we will see the line segment. A part of the line we'll call it as an line segments. A line segment has a fixed length that can be measured. The points that which the line segments begins and ends will call it as an end points. And every line segment has a two end points. A line segments will be named using the end points, means we will be using the two end points in our line segment. It will be a line segment also will be a part of our line. Then it will be having the two end points. First will be the beginning and second one will be the ending part. Next is ray. A ray is a straight path that has a one end point and goes on and in the one direction. See, in the image you can see R and the Y. R is the first point and it will be going on its direction. So we will give an examples of a rays of the light torch from a torch means the rays will be from, if you put on the torch, the rays will be going, no, then the rays of the sun, when the sun rises, the rays will come to us, means the rays and all will be there on the earth. We will call it as an ray. What do you mean by ray? Ray is a straight path that has a one end point and goes on to the one direction. Next is a plane. A plane is a flat surface that extends in all the directions. Means it will be extending in the all equal direction. Then it does not have the thickness also. Then you can see the examples of the floor. See in the picture they have given the plane A and plane B. This will be the wall of your room, or we can give the surface of the slant rooftop or a surface of the table. Next we will see the angles. Angles is a figure that formed by a two rays meeting at the common point. You can see this in the image. There are meeting at the common point. A common point will call it as an vertex, and the two rays will call it as an arms. Okay children, next we will see the naming and angles. We will be seeing the several ways. Here we will be using the three ways to name the angles. One is by using the vertex and the point, and vertex only, and use a number. Means from the how we will be using the vertex and the point means by the three letters. For example, we will see a angle SRT, or we will say the angle TRS also. Here the vertex letter will always in the middle. Then using the only one letter name called the vertex R or angle R. If there is no one angle if there is only one angle in the vertex, then we can write only the one angle. Then by using a number, we will be measuring the degree, like the angles for so many. If I have the so many angles, we will be measuring 1 2 3 like that. Also by using the numbers we can name the angles. Next we will see the interior and the exterior angles. When we have given the some points, it may be in the exterior, and when it will be in the interior. And the angle which the points will be the inside the angle, will call it as an interior points. The angle which will be the outside the angle, will call it as an exterior points. And on the angle will be placed, we will call it as an on the angles also. Okay, the region between the rays that is in the inside the angle is called interior of the angle. The region outside the arms of the angle is called it as an exterior of the angle. Here we have given one example. See, this is the angle PQR. Inside we have given some points that we will call it as an interior. Which are the points? A, D and F. Okay, then outside we will call it as an B and C. On the line also we have given which are that on the line. G and E will be the on the line points. Have you understood now what are the exterior and interiors of the angle and on the angles?